Okay, so a good day. So today is we're going to have a activity on laboratory three, which is the behavioral design pattern. And my task here is to combine three design patterns under behavioral design pattern to create a single system. Explain how this design patterns implemented or integrated in a system, and I'll create a UML diagram and explain its process. So what I've used here in my system or the behavioral design pattern, the patterns that I've used are the observer, the strategy, and the command. So for the command design pattern right here is my code for the command design pattern for my system. So first up is the command pattern lets us encapsulate user actions like play, pause, and stop as separate command objects. This makes the system flexible and easy to extend. Now, how it works in the code. So the command interface defines a single method, which is kana execute. And classes like kaning sa play command, ang pause command, ang stop command, and ang next command is gina-implement ni siya na interface. While the remote control acts as the invoker, which calls the command's execute method. So siya ang nag-call sa execute method sa command ang remote control. Now, sa kuan, the player class acts as the receiver performing the actual action like playing or pausing sa tuang player class, which is kani siya under sa observer na design pattern. So for example, when the user presses play, the remote control executes the play command, which tells the player to start playing the media. So next up is to ang strategy design pattern. So the purpose of this is that the strategy pattern allows the player to switch between different rendering methods at runtime without changing the main logic. So kaning render strategy Java interface is gonna define niya ang render na method, just kani siya ang render method na to. And strategies to implement it is ang software render o ang hardware render. So the player has a render strategy attribute, but it uses to render the media. And the player can change its rendering mode dynamically using set render strategy. So for example, if the system wants better performance, it can switch from software render from software to render to hard render while still playing. So mo na ang purpose sa kuan sa tuang strategy sa tuang system. Now, sa tuang kuan sa tuang observer is ang purpose ani is ang observer pattern allows different parts of the system like UI and logs to automatically update when the player's state changes. So the player class, which is ano siya, is gina-implement niya ang player subject interface. Ano siya? Ang interface na player subject sa player, making it the subject. And the UI observer and logger observer implement the player observer interface. Ano siya? Making them observers. And when the playback state changes, like for example from playing to pause, the player calls notify observers which updates both the UI and the logger. So for example, ano is if ang player kay na-pause niya ang media, the UI updates to show the paused state and the logger saves this action. So in summary, no, sa atong command na design pattern is naka-control siya on the player's actions like play, stop, and pause, while the strategy pattern is nag-switch siya from rendering methods from software or hardware. And sa itong observer pattern is gin-update niya ang UI o ang mga logs automatically when playback changes. And together, these three patterns make the media player system flexible, modular, and easy to maintain. So, pag-ira na to ni sa itong kuan, sa to ang code, ano siya, render sa ato yung set, player media, software render, and then using CPU, player set updates to playing, recorded player to set changes playing, media pause. So, ano yung mga functions from command, observer, to strategy. So, these are all sa kuan behavioral design pattern na i-implement nato sa atong kuan, sa ato ang sa ato ang system. Sa system na to is ang media player. So, for now is kuha na punta sa ato ang YAML class. Okay. So, mo na to ang UML diagram. So atong project demonstrates a combination of three behavioral patterns, a command, strategy, and observer in a singular modular media player system. This system allows users to control playback, switch rendering methods, and automatically notify observers of any changes in playback state. So, sa itong command pattern, is mo na itong command interface, is ang purpose ani is to decouple the request for an action from the object that performs it. And the main classes ani is ang command to interface what defines the execute, nato ang play command, pause command, stop command, and next command. So kani siyang upat is ang conflict commands that perform actions on the player. So mo ni naga mga actions na nasa player, maka-play siya, maka-pause siya, maka-stop siya, o maka-next siya sa ato ang media. So all this is gina-implement niya ang interface sa ato ang command. So next step is, wait lang. So, dili na punta. So, sa to ang kuan, itong remote control is nag-act ni siya as invoker but triggers the command. Since tanan man jud mo gyud sa remote control bago siya ma-implement ang actions. So, mo ni natay remote control na class para siya ang mismo mag-act as invoker na makapatrigger sa to ang commands na i-implement or i-command sa to ang player. So, right here is a player can nag-act siya as the receiver but executes the actual actions. And for example, when the user presses the play button, the remote control executes the play command, which tells the player to start playing. So, one example sa itong player o sa remote control ng mga functions. So, sa itong strategy pattern, is ang purpose ani is to allow changing the algorithm or behavior of an object at a runtime. So, ang main class sa ani is ang render strategy nga Mo ni siya ang interface what defines the render method, which is kani siya. Ang software o ang hardware render. Mo ni ang mga concrete strategies for rendering video or audio. So ang player is use siya og nag-use siya og render strategy and can switch between strategies dynamically. So right here, no, makita po nato diri sa tong player na kuan na diagram na napo siya set render strategy na in which maka-switch siya between strategies dynamically. So, for example, the player can switch between hardware rendering like faster or GPU-based or software rendering like CPU-based without changing its main logic. So, sa itong observer pattern is ang purpose honey is to enable automatic updates to multiple components when an object state changes. So, ang main process honey is ang player subject, which is siya ang interface that allows adding or removing observers. Ang player observer is ang interface with update method. Ang UI observer o ang logger server kay mo na siyang concrete observers but respond when playback changes. So kani siya nag-implement po din siya sa atuang play observer. Then ang player is nag-act siya as subject but notifies observers when playback state changes. So ang example ani is when the player pauses, both the user interface and log system are notified automatically. So mo ni ang purpose sa tuang sa tuang observer pattern which is nag-observe din sila sa behavior sa tuang subject or based sa behavior sa gi-implement ang command sa tuang subject which is ang ato ang player. Mo ni nasa tong player is na sa iya hatanan ang notify observers nga nag-notify sa iyang mga playback changes, ang set render strategy which is ang atong render strategy na makaswitch siya between so, strategies dynamically. Katong pause, play, stop, next sa to ang strategy o sa to ang playback state. So, ang kaning nga UML diagram is nag-show siya og command hierarchy connect and remote control nga mo nag-act og invoker, ang command interface sa atong previous na photo, and concrete commands like play command that calls methods in player or mo ni ang receiver. Ang observer relationship between player or ang subject is og ang sa atong observer which is ang UI observer of logger server ay logger observer and the strategy relationship where player uses a render strategy and can switch between hardware and software render. So in summary, no, kaning design or with UML diagram is nag-improve din siya og modularity which is easy to extend and to maintain and allows flexible control via commands, supports runtime adaptability via strategy, and provides real-time updates via observer. So in short, the system models a real-world media player with clean, maintainable, and reusable code using free core behavioral design patterns. So that would be all for the presentation of my laboratory activity in the behavior design patterns, in which I use three patterns for this kind of system of mine: the observer, the strategy, and the command. And thank you for listening and have a good day.